Narcissist brain secrets. Scientists have discovered that narcissists' brains aren't quite the same as other people's brains. It's not like there's one narcissism button in the brain, but certain areas look and work differently. These differences explain why narcissists often act the way they do. First, brain scans show that narcissists usually have less gray matter in an area called the anterior insula. This part of the brain helps us understand and feel what other people are going through. In simple terms, it's connected to empathy, the ability to care about someone else's feelings. Because this part is weaker in narcissists, they often struggle to show real empathy. Second, there are differences in areas like the prefrontal cortex and cingulate cortex. These brain regions help with self-control, morality, and decision-making. When these parts work differently, a narcissist may overreact to criticism, bend the truth, or make choices that hurt others while protecting themselves. This is why they can be so sensitive when their ego feels threatened. Third, narcissists seem to have what researchers call an empathy switch. They can sometimes act like they care, especially if it helps them get what they want, but they don't usually feel those emotions deeply. They might understand what someone is feeling, this is called cognitive empathy, but they don't actually feel it with them, emotional empathy. Finally, it's important to know that not all narcissists are the same. Some people only show mild traits, while others have full narcissistic personality disorder, NPD. The brain differences are strongest in those who fall at the extreme end of the spectrum. In short, narcissists' brains often have less power in the areas that control empathy, emotions, and self-awareness. That's why dealing with them, especially in close relationships or divorce, can be so confusing and exhausting.